Hello, welcome to Social Studies Facility in this video 5. First, we want to start with the topic on divorce. What is divorce? This is when a husband and a wife end their marriage because they do not want to be married to each other anymore. Furthermore, we want to look at the reasons why people divorce. First is fighting. The second one is abuse. The third one is infidelity. So most times married couples fight, and when they fight, they become so unhappy, and then there seems to be no solution, abuse and infidelity in marriage. The next we want to look at is drug abuse. Drug abuse is one of the social vices in the society. So what is drug? A drug is a chemical substance that brings about physical, emotional, or behavioral change in persons taking it. So it is important that drug abuse must be stopped. So let's look at the meaning of drug abuse.
What is drug abuse? This is intentionally using drugs in a way that is unhealthy or illegal. Now, whether drugs are legal or illegal, they can have some potential harm on the body. Commonly abused drugs include alcohol, tobacco, and cannabis. Now, oftentimes there are effects of drug abuse. The physical effects include trouble in brain development, okay, then increased risk of diseases, liver and kidney problems on the individual. Now it could cause more harm emotionally. There is an increased risk of mental disorder, changes in personality, dependency on some issues that are not worth it. Drug abuse does not only have the potential of damaging the body, it also has effects on your social being, can affect relationship, causing problem between you, family members, and close relatives. It can alter attitudes and decrease participation in sports, education. Now, why do young people decide to use drugs? Now, many of them are faced with many influences towards drugs, both legal and illegal. Even with the increased campaign for no to drug abuse, want to see the reasons why young people decide to use drug: peer pressure, curiosity or wanting to take risks, academic struggles or stress, boredom or to alter moods or escape from physical or psychological pains or issues. Now, research has shown us that social influences are one of the biggest causes of drug abuse among adolescents.
Furthermore, we want to look at the three ethnic groups in Nigeria. So the ethnic groups in Nigeria are three. The three major ethnic groups in Nigeria, we have the Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba. Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba. So these are the three major ethnic groups in Nigeria. We have over 250 languages in Nigeria because Nigeria is a multi-ethnicity country. It means that we are a lot of diverse ethnic groups, okay? And oftentimes there's intertribal marriages between these ethnic groups. So the image before you, this is the attire by an Igbo man, an Hausa woman, and a Yoruba woman. Okay, so these are the three major ethnic groups in Nigeria. Next, we want to look at natural resources. So it's important we see the meaning and types of natural
Natural
resources.
resources are materials we get from the earth that are valuable to human beings. We're going to look at them one after the other. Okay, the natural resources we have air, wind energy used for tires, animals, they are source of food. We get milk, cheese, thick bacon, and clothing. We have wool, sweater. We have silk shirt, leather belts. Then coal is used to generate electricity. We have minerals used in making coins, wire, steel, aluminum cans, jewelry. Then we have a natural gas used for electricity and heating. Then oil, crude oil used for electricity, fuel for cars and airplanes, plastic. Then we have plants, wood, paper, cotton, clothing, fruits, vegetables, then sunlight, solar power, photosynthesis, then water, hydroelectric energy, and drinking. So, types of natural resources, majorly it's been divided into two. We have mineral resources and agricultural resources. There are two major types of natural resources. So, we'll take them one after the other. So, we're going to look at the mineral resources. Okay. Examples of mineral resources include natural gas, petroleum. We have tin, we have iron ore, we have coal, we have columbite, we have lead, and so on. Then we have agricultural resources too. There's a map of Nigeria showing the locations where we can find most of these mineral resources in Nigeria. Okay, you could see the key by the side of the map. Okay, with it, you can locate the regions where these minerals can be found. The things we use in our daily lives are made up of different materials: machines, vehicles, kitchen utensils, and other utilities that are very useful to us. And they are all made up of hard materials.
Thank you for watching this video. Are there any questions? Write on the chat box in the school's portal. Thank you and be good.